Now let's immediately jump deeper into our program. In the previous lesson, we know what this line do, and we also know what this line do and what this line. But here's what does n neighbors mean in k neighbors classifier. Let's try to change it and see what happens. Let me change it from 1 to 2. The error is getting higher. 3, the error is getting higher. 4, the error is getting higher. 5, the error is getting higher. I don't know, for example, what this thing do. What we do, we go and search. What n neighbors, oh, I write it total wrong, do in KNN. Now we need to read a little theory. The n neighbor parameter passed to the k neighbors classifier object set the desired k value that checks the k closest neighbor for each unclassified point. The object provides a fit method which takes the training data and predicts. I don't understand what it say. Let's go to another site. We go to geeks for geeks and these two sites. Sorry, let's see. What is KNN? We, for example, don't want to read it. How does KNN work? Choose the number of neighbors. Start by saying how many neighbors you want to consider when making prediction. Find the distance between your new data point and the chosen number for a neighbor. Imagine it. Okay. For example, after reading a time of theory, we didn't understand anything about k numbers. What shall we do? Shall we quit the job or keep going? We go keep going. For the thing we know, we must test numbers of k and see which one is the best. Okay, we just do that. We write a line k here and it's equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then, okay, forgive me for a second, I will come.